Oh, this video is going to be Muppet hands and a talk fest because I've done a lot of research to look at what other people are doing while they make these substrates like Big Bunny and how they go about it and what would suit me, being an incredibly lazy person. So I need to make the ears and the cheeks bigger. So I'm going to use some fruit for the cheeks because remember it's going to be wrapped up, and probably a pool noodle for the bigger ears, but we'll see how that goes. Then I'm going to use where would we be without cable ties in the world? Whoever invented that, along with the guy who did the power board, should be sainted. Of various sizes, but I need to make sure it's really secure and will hold while I go through the rest of the process. Then this blue fibre sticky tape type mesh, which may or may not stick, and I'm going to make it quite thick, like a coat. So it's going to be thicker than probably what lots of people have seen done before. I'm going to insert a plastic bag, pretend it's a garbage bin, through the base as a liner against that, and then I'm going to fill it up with expanding foam, and we'll see how well that goes. It may or may not burst through the wire, but it's going to be fun doing something that I haven't seen done before to see if it works. What's the worst thing could happen? It could break through the wire netting and then I'll have to use a craft knife to cut it all off. But that's okay. The cement will take care of it. But I'm also hoping that the blue mesh will hold it all together. Then I'll use a few layers of cement-based adhesive in Australia, or thin set in other parts of the world, and the one I've got at the bag I happen to have at the moment. I know nothing about cement-based adhesive, but the chap at Kim's Tiling Supplies recommended Ardex 18. And of course, while I'm waiting for all of that to cure, and hopefully you've made some fun videos and given you through giggles, I'll go back to cutting the flowers, and I think I might do some 3D flowers as well. If it ends up being a girl bunny, then she may hold a basket of flowers because she'll be in the garden. We might have a go at making 3D hydrangeas and various other flowers. Maybe I probably should put some Canberra bluebells in there as well, but I don't know how I'll make those 3D. Anyway, it's all a part of the fun of this big, different project. So I hope you enjoy it with me. Some things will work and some things won't, I'm guessing, but it's going to be great fun along the way. I hope you're feeling a bit inspired to have a go.